What's going on, guys? Adam again, back with Atomic Garage, and today, guys, we're going to talk about one important thing that any beginner TIG welder needs to know coming up in this video. To the case. If you are a beginner TIG welder, if you're just learning and you bought you a machine, and let's say that you did not spend a ton of money and buy an ESOB or Lincoln, you bought some cheap one off of Amazon or eBay, the best piece of advice I can give you is don't change anything. Don't change any of the accessories. Don't change anything, the cup, don't do anything except for practice. What I want you to do is practice your TIG welding. Why? Why should you practice your TIG welding? You should practice your TIG welding with the bare bones cheap, okay, the cheap stuff with the finger trigger. You should practice with this, because if you can make a weld that sticks with this, nothing fancy, then you can weld anything with better material. What I see a lot of people do is they go and they want the Furic items. They want this $200 number 10 glass lens, and they want all the nice fancy screens, and they want different hose, and they want all the nicest things they can get. And yeah, they can learn how to weld with those things. They can learn how to TIG, but it hides a lot of mistakes. It hides a lot of things. And being honest with you, using the cheap stuff to weld is not going to give you the prettiest of results. It really won't. But it will definitely teach you how to stitch metal together with fire, okay? It may not be pretty, but you will get better and better and better. And even butt ugly welds will stick, will hold, won't blow out, will have plenty of strength and everything like that. That's my piece of advice. That is my piece of advice. I may be a welder and I may be able to weld a few things here or there. I'm not looking for the aesthetics and the dimes. I'm not looking for that. Will it stick? Will it hold? Those are the questions that I am only concerned about. And I'm gonna show you my piece of metal that I did a lot of work on. And be honest with you, it's butt ugly, but you know what? It'll hold. So here is my piece of metal here, and this goes to the turbo side, and it snakes up around the oil filler, and it goes straight out, and I'm gonna do a 90 that goes down and back. This is my setup, and these are my welds, if you can see them. Are they the prettiest? No, they're not the prettiest. They're not. Look at these here. Are they the prettiest? Not necessarily, but they don't have any pinholes, and they will stick. So now, for someone like me who's been TIG welding for over a year, now I feel good that it's time to upgrade my hose on my TIG machine to a better quality. Now it's time to get different gas lens and different things like that, and different accessories that can take welds that are good, that will stick, and take them from here to the next level. But if you start with the expensive items, the expensive accessories and the things, the unicorn fart cap and all kind of stuff like that, it'll weld, but it's going to cover up a lot of mistakes that you will soon come to regret later in the future. So guys, I say all that to say this. When you get your TIG machine, when you finally decide you want to learn to TIG weld, before jumping and buying nice accessories and all this other fancy doodads and everything like that, stick with the bare bones. Use the regular stuff that came with it and practice with that. Because if you burn up this cup right here, you won't feel bad. It's not even worth $1. But I'm pretty sure you would be extremely pissed off if you destroyed a number 10 Furic cup or any of the other cups that Furic makes. And they make amazing items, but they are there to help on top of the experience that you have. If you don't got the experience yet, don't call yourself buying none of that stuff yet. Don't do it. You're setting yourself up for a world of hurt. So with all that being said, this is still my TIG 165S machine that I've been using. I'll probably do a review on it a little bit later down the road. But this machine has taught me so much when it comes to TIG welding and what works, what doesn't work, dipping your tungsten inside of your puddle and everything in between. So those who are fresh, just practice, 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 and you will definitely get the hang of it. So that's it for me, guys. That's all I wanted to share. I thought it was a piece of advice that was much needed because a lot of people go out and they want to spend up a bunch of money and they don't get the basics yet. Get the basics. Understand how it works. Understand how you can improve and work on improving before adding the accessories, adding all the niceties and everything like that. And me personally, I'm a bare bones type of person. I'll just deal with it, even though it is time for me to start upgrading different aspects. And we'll try that a little along the way. But I want to continue to learn and grow. So my welds can maybe one day be not as butt ugly, but they could be a little bit better. Main thing is, as long as they hold. So I'll catch you guys in the next one. I hope you enjoyed this quick little video of something I need to get off my chest. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.